In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, AI chips have become the lifeblood of the industry. They are the driving force behind the rapid progress we see today. OpenAI, a trailblazer in the AI field, recognizes this significance and is making significant strides to secure its place in the future of AI technology. The story begins with Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, who made a personal investment in a startup named Rain. Situated less than a mile from OpenAI's headquarters in San Francisco, Rain is working on a chip it calls a neuromorphic processing unit, or NPU, designed to replicate features of the human brain. Altman's association with Rain is not only as an investor, but also as a potential customer. In 2019, OpenAI signed a non-binding agreement to spend $51 million on these brain-inspired chips once they became available. This agreement has not been previously reported, and it shows how Altman's personal investments can intertwine with his duties as OpenAI CEO. His prior position leading the startup incubator, Y Combinator, has helped him become one of Silicon Valley's most prominent dealmakers. However, his wide array of pursuits has also led to some complications, playing a role in his recent, albeit brief, firing from OpenAI for uncandid communications. This deal with Rain also underscores OpenAI's determination to secure a steady supply of chips needed to underpin pioneering AI projects. Altman has publicly spoken about the brutal crunch for AI chips and their eye-watering costs. OpenAI, while relying on the powerful cloud of Microsoft, its primary investor, has had to occasionally shut off access to features of Chatgpt due to hardware constraints. According to Altman, the pace of AI progress may be dependent on new chip designs and supply chains. Rain has shown promising developments, projecting that it could have a test chip ready for fabrication as soon as this month. However, the startup has recently faced challenges, including a reshuffling of its leadership and investors and being forced to sell its stake, held by Saudi Arabia-affiliated fund Prosperity 7 Ventures, due to concerns raised by a U.S. government body that polices investments for national security risks. This forced removal could potentially delay the day OpenAI can make good on its $51 million advance order. The investor documents suggest that Rain could get its first hardware to customers as early as October next year. Both OpenAI and Rain declined to comment on the situation. In conclusion, OpenAI's decision to buy AI chips from Rain signifies a significant shift in the AI industry. This move not only highlights the importance of AI chips, but also shows OpenAI's commitment to pioneering AI projects. Despite the challenges and complications, OpenAI's bold decision could potentially shape the future of AI technology, and it will be interesting to see how this plays out in the coming years.